Located in Solvang, California, this beautiful Danish-inspired town was on the way to our next destination on our Pacific Coast Highway road trip. So naturally, we thought it was a great idea to stop by and try some authentic Danish food for the first time in our lives. But as with everything in life, there were challenges.
Dude, there's like literally 6 bees. I'm not joking.
That is crazy. Time to go to Solvang.
There is a life I lead in this city, hurrying to cut my teeth. I can take what I need to get by. It doesn't make it easy.
Welcome to Denmark. Solvang. While in Solvang, we visited one of the many different Danish restaurants serving up traditional dishes. Because of COVID, many were closed though, but we did manage to find the simply named Solvang restaurant where they had Danish meals on their menu along with a traditional dessert they were famous for. And we also met some of the regulars. It's a very pretty town, look at this. That is awesome. And this is it right here. Simply named it Solvang restaurant. And it's home to the famous Aebleskiver. And those are the jelly donuts.
Just a second, okay?
Sounds good. I'm looking for something very Danish.
Danish, breakfast or lunch?
Lunch. Let me try the Danish style sausage. And then can we also do, how's it pronounced?
Aebleskiver.
Aebleskiver.
Correct.
So Solvang is about 45 minutes outside of Santa Barbara. But this little town is basically on top of a huge mountain. This is Danish lunch right here. We got the sausages, some mashed potatoes, veggies, steamed veggies. Thank you. My soup is right here. And the Aebleskiver.
Aebleskiver?
And then so these are donuts filled with jelly inside, and they're like very popular here.
Was that bee?
And Stephanie's freaking out because of a bee. No, that's like a bee. Yeah, it's a bee. Because the bee wants your Sprite now, the sugar, or the bee wants the jelly.
Dude, there's like 2 bees.
I had a feeling, but the feeling is all.
Get out of here.
The bees will come with the sweetness.
Sorry,
Yeah.
I freaked out.
No, you're not the only one that freaks out, trust me. It's okay. People leave because they cannot deal with the bees and you have to pack things up for them and they have to...
Really? It gets that bad?
Yes, they do get that bad. But
Is it because of the donuts?
it's because of anything sweet, and then so the bumblebees come out because of the sweetness and the honey, and the wasps come out the hormones come out to super.
Wow.
It's not just bees,
Let me
it's
know what we can
hornets.
do to assist you.
All right, so we're gonna try to eat here. Check out this food with the bees attacking us.
Yeah, I'm not sitting there.
And then this, I have no idea what this is actually. Very sweet. I have no idea what that is. It's a very unique taste actually. It's not bad. It's not bad at all. It's definitely different. But then again, so is Denmark, right? Stephanie's over here. She's freaked out because there's like 4 bees around us right now.
It's like surrounded by bees.
The other piece of my heart moves slow, somewhere in the great unknown. When I return from the afterglow.
Dude, there's like literally 6 bees. I'm not joking.
That is crazy. We'll probably tell them to pack up the donuts. And we'll... I am getting swarmed by
Avoiding
bees.
that table at all costs.
That is a lot of bees. Stephanie's freaking out behind me over there. Trying to eat my Danish sausages in peace. Oh my god. I got food on my face. Attacked by bees. But I will eat. So we gotta try to get ourselves an escape from all these bees. Stephanie's had it. I'm gonna take my crackers. A bee just headbutted my arm. But I got my soup to go in a cup. No, it just headbutted me. I'm gonna take the donuts, take the soup. Stephanie, is freaking out. It's kind of annoying me.
It's annoying you? I'm sorry. I just had 5-6 bees flying around me, but no, you're annoyed. I'm
I'm
okay.
just trying to eat my soup and my donuts over here, guys.
I don't know how
And my
you
Danish sausages.
ate so comfortably. Like none of the bees phased you. There were literally 6 bees.
It's a freaking bee.
Staring at him, like flying all over him, and he just ate there calmly, like nothing.
You just gotta, you know, be happy and
I'm
be,
happy. I'm just
You gotta
not
be happy and
happy around bees.
be calm. You know, when you get attacked by bees, you gotta be happy and be calm.
Worst dining experience of my life. Good thing I wasn't the one dining.
At least I got some crackers for my soup in my pocket. I'm prepared. Very pretty little town. My Danish food was good. The sausages were hearty. The mashed potatoes were really good. It was good Danish food for what Danish food is. I mean, I wanna try more different types of Danish food. But what that restaurant is famous for, is that very authentic Danish dessert, which is kind of like that donut with jelly inside. Well, we didn't get to try that yet because of the bee attack. So we're gonna explore a little bit, walk around for like the next 5-10 minutes. Then we're gonna go back to my car, and then I will have the privilege of trying. I forgot the name of it. Trying this right here. I'm gonna in post-production put the name of it right here. Try that later. Let's go explore the town. We could totally just post a picture from here and be like, hey guys, we made it to Denmark, and everybody would believe us. There's even Denmark flags. There's the Danish bakery. I wonder just what's the percentage of Danish people living here. I'm very interested now.
Probably like 1%.
So every other shop, it feels like, is a winery or craft beer. I love it. The mole hole. Finally, the moment has arrived for us to try the food. All right. This is what the bees were trying to devour.
Put some hand sanitizer.
No, I want to eat first. And then...
Hand sanitizer first. Before you touch your food, that's gross.
Okay, hand sanitize that COVID first, I guess. I just hate how it smells, and then I have to grab the donuts, and the donuts are gonna smell like alcohol. All right, here we go. The moment of freaking truth. What is this restaurant famous for? This is what it's famous for. These are Danish balls of goodness. All right, so you're gonna dunk it in that jam. Jam's really good. I feel Danish. I'm a Danishman. Now, if I wasn't driving, I would have a craft beer, a Danish craft beer, with this and some sausages. And man, I need to go to Denmark. Look at these trees on each side. What a beautiful road. All right, so I'm getting kind of hungry. So from that restaurant, from the Solvang restaurant, I actually brought a cup of soup, and this is pea soup with something else in it.
With ham.
Oh, that's has a kick to it. It's ham and peas. So I also got crackers. So don't try this at home. I'm driving very straight.
Are you?
But crackers. And they got crispy.
My will is strong with a place to live. In the moment I hung desperately.
I like how he's drinking it like a coffee.
Okay, so I don't like peas. I don't like peas at all.
But that's good?
No.
I thought you were going to say, but this is good.
You know what? It's not bad. It's not that bad, but the peas, I just don't like how peas taste.
You guys, San Francisco is only 279 miles away. Woo! We're not going there yet, though.
Nobody cares about San Francisco. We're talking about the pea soup
Oh, sorry.
from Solvang. That's the soup right there. That's the soup. Cheers, guys.
Okay, pay attention to the road.
Eating my cheese croissant here in Santa Barbara. Doesn't taste like cheese. Why is it black? Why is there black stuff in it?
Is it chocolate?
You said cheese. I got a cheese croissant. Anyway, so we are gonna pack up right now. We're gonna leave Santa Barbara. We're gonna drive about 45 minutes to the fantasy town, or no, never mind. We're gonna drive 45 minutes to Solvang, and we are going to have some of the best Danish food in freaking America. See you guys there. Yeah, this is chocolate.
Yeah.
You got me the wrong thing. I'm not mad because it's chocolate. But I could have used some cheese.